Mitochondria found in most eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria is also called as powerhouses of the cell. Tricarboxylic acid cycle activity and the generation of ATP by electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation takes place here. Mitochondria usually are cylindrical structures and measure approximately 0.3 to 1 micrometer by 5 to 10 micrometer. In other words, they are about the same size as prokaryotic cells. Some cells possess 1000 or more mitochondria. Others, including some yeast, unicellular algae, and trypanosome protozoa, have a single giant tubular mitochondrion twisted into a continuous network permeating the cytoplasm. The mitochondrion is bounded by two membranes, that is, an outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer mitochondrial membrane separated from an inner mitochondrial membrane by a 6 to 8 nanometer intermembrane space. The outer mitochondrial membrane contains porins that are similar to the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria. The inner membrane has special enfoldings called as cristae. The inner membrane encloses the mitochondrial matrix, a dense matrix containing ribosomes, DNA, and often large calcium phosphate granules. Mitochondrial ribosomes are smaller than the cytoplasmic ribosomes and resemble those of bacteria in several ways, including their size and subunit composition. In many organisms, mitochondrial DNA is a closed circle like bacterial DNA. However, in some protists, mitochondrial DNA is linear. Each mitochondrial compartment is different from the others in chemical and enzymatic composition. The outer and inner mitochondrial membranes, for example, possess different lipids. Enzymes and electron carriers involved in electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation are located only in the inner membrane. The enzymes of the tricarboxylic acid cycle and catabolism of fatty acids are located in the matrix. The mitochondrion uses its DNA and ribosomes to synthesize some of its own proteins. In fact, mutations in mitochondrial DNA often lead to serious diseases in humans. Most mitochondrial proteins are manufactured under the direction of the nucleus. Mitochondria reproduce by binary fission. Because mitochondria resemble bacteria to some extent, it is thought that they arose from symbiotic association between bacteria and larger cells.